This is the sound of fear. The asthmatic breathing that reverberates slowly throughout your eardrums. The gnashing of teeth, the popping of jaws. Manicured nails picking delicately at scabs of skin. Knees banging together awkwardly without rhythm or second thought, while toes tap quietly to their own specific pace. A whimper breaking through the silence as ebony might break through marble. This is the feeling of rejection. The cold hard knot in the pit of your stomach. The invisible hand bending and breaking both of your knees. Hands grasping for any sign of security while lungs fight for air. A quiet numbness spreading slowly throughout your mind. A bitter tear drifting down your face, catching on your lip, while the urge to fade into nothingness sets in. Memories which inflict bouts of shaking and resentment. This is the smell of desecration. Toilet bowls and tiled floors. Rubbing alcohol pressed to limbs and faces, hot, musty rooms which reveal hints of lust and satisfaction, lubricant mixed with blood and laundry, soaked in bleach. Trash cans, sweaty skin, back alleyways, scratch marks hidden beneath clean t-shirts, and always, always, her perfume, his cologne. This is the taste of animosity. Valium being crushed between two molars, bile rising in the back of one's throat, traces of vomit upon one's gums, stale saliva and dry lips, moistened only by cheap beer and white wine, a hoarse throat resulting from petty excuses and overpreached anecdotes, told for one's own reassurance rather than anyone else's. Bitterness is a flavor all its own. This is the face of indifference. Stationary eyelids, tense, compressed lips, red, flared nostrils. Distant gazes that speak volumes more than any discourse ever could. A slow nod which signifies not sympathy or understanding, but rather an end to the conversation. The face of indifference is the face of a clock. Born without ears or a mouth to offer discussion, only hands to point and accuse, and a sense of time that is not appreciated, but only recognized and thrust in your face as it counts down the minutes until it can be free. This was my reality, my 5 senses. But here with you it is different. Here I only feel the warmth of your torso enveloping mine. I only hear your breathing, which is calm and relaxed. I only smell your sweater pressed against my face. I only taste contentment, and I only see you. And I know now that reality is what we make of it.